Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to roll the ball. Start by finding a comfortable and balanced stance. Position your feet about shoulder-width apart, directly facing your desired target. Keep your knees slightly bent. This provides stability and allows for a smooth transfer of power. Hold the ball securely in your dominant hand, ensuring a firm but relaxed grip. Before you begin, visually lock onto your target, preparing for precise execution. This foundational setup is crucial for a successful roll every time. As you initiate the roll, swing your arm backward in a smooth, controlled motion, keeping your elbow relatively close to your side. The critical moment is the release. Let go of the ball at the very bottom of your swing, just as your arm passes your leg. Immediately follow through with your arm, pointing directly at your target. Maintain a firm wrist throughout this action to ensure the ball travels in a straight line, maximizing accuracy and power. To enhance your control, consider adding spin to the ball. For a gentle backspin, apply a slight upward pressure with your fingertips as you release. If you desire topspin, roll your fingers over the top of the ball during the release. Experiment with these techniques to observe how they influence the ball's trajectory and bounce. A subtle adjustment in your grip, perhaps shifting your fingers by 1 or 2 centimeters, can significantly alter the spin and overall control you achieve. Consistent practice is key to mastering the ball roll. Dedicate regular sessions to develop strong muscle memory, making the motion feel natural. Challenge yourself by using targets at different distances, perhaps starting at 3 meters and gradually increasing to 10 meters and varying their sizes. Consider recording your rolls. Watching yourself can reveal subtle form adjustments needed for improvement. Initially, prioritize achieving consistent accuracy over sheer power, as precision is the foundation of an effective roll.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.